Born in the zoo, birthday to you. Today you have become grandma.
Hi guys, so today is I'll switch off the fan. Today is actually my birthday. So I've got dressed up a little. I need to meet Sush and Swati now, and then Sush has to leave somewhere else to meet her fiance. So yeah, that's why I thought I'll just come here and say hi. Yeah, that's it. We'll see you later. Okay, so bye. Hi guys, I am with Swati and Sushmita right now, and we are going to country inn now. Yeah, we're going to country inn, no? Yeah. Okay, so we just decided that we'll go to country inn. I don't know what should I say.
Like, share and subscribe.
Yeah, I forget to tell it only always. Please like, share and subscribe, guys. I forget like to tell actually. We've reached.
Proud of you. Thanks for out.
Hi guys.
Hey guys.
Wait, I think Sush's photo we have to take. She's looking damn pretty, man. I think I should lose weight on my cheeks.
Hi guys, my outfit for the day.
I just finished a photo shoot, and now it's Sushmita's photo shoot is going on. My face cut it's so long.
Honey chili, baby corn.
Oh, I forgot the non-veg division.
Again.
Because whenever we go out now, we just order non-veg, okay? So now it's like, okay, now we have to order veg. No, we didn't forget. It's just we missed the ordering veg and then craving for non-veg. Yeah, that is the problem. We never saw the veg thing. We used to always see non-veg. Now it's like, oh, we'll have to check out veg as well.
It's not our time.
So basically, Sush called her fiance and the mother-in-law picked.
Ayyo, bura sound.
It was sweet. So I thought I'll just let you know, guys. Like a sweet as So he's basically, no, not details. He's like 9. Yeah.
Bhavana is 2-year-old.
Yeah, I'm just 2 years old, guys. So this is the cake. Just taking pictures, guys. I like the songs that they're playing actually. Look at Swati's face.
Yeah, look at her. She's such a cute baby.
Actually, you know, when I was vlogging with Mahima, the first condition that she had put, vlog whatever you want, but don't vlog when I'm eating. Like when she is eating. She's like, I've seen you vlogging with Swati and all, and they look so bad, and you are like so shameless putting that on the YouTube thing she was telling. So I was like, okay, fine, I won't put it, I won't vlog it. Oh. Oh, she doesn't eat chicken.
Oh, that's chicken.
She doesn't eat chicken.
better get about my way. This is start of a new day, feel fresher than toothpaste. Singing out, this be the new thing. New swing set, I'ma go for the loop, man. I'm a fruit gone loopy, that's the Sammy the toucan. Screaming out, who cares? My soul bare, I'm done with the cold stare. My heart hang off the tip of my shoestring. Stay untied as usual, I'm not put together. Better you do, that's magic, I'm voodoo. You a dog playing dressing, but your getup is poo-poo. Okay, I'll fess up, I messed up, but that's true for you.
We are really upset that she's engaged. Actually, we are happy for her, but we are just sad that she won't be like, we'll have to, like, we won't be her priority from now onwards.
Yeah, that's true.
So,
that's very much true actually.
Like,
And she's not even denying, correct?
she's not even denying. She's like, no, guys. You know, actually,
Guys,
no.
always
This is after,
the first.
this after we told you can't tell this. You can't do this. I'm so upset.
Drinking something, so because of that I don't talk.
Enough. She was drinking and she was smiling like this.
Yeah,
She was
people
doing.
want to say something, they'll say
They'll
anyhow.
say anyhow. They'll stop drinking and they're like, no, Bhavna, no.
It's
That you
nothing
would
like
have told.
that. You are our priority.
Priority
say
would
that,
have said. But you didn't say that. Fiance.
Both are my priorities.
Ambade.
Typical problem I
Okay, I'll fess up, I messed
Ah,
up,
sorry,
that's
sorry.
true for you too. We stay open, like
You
so.
were trolling me, no, I got it. I got it.
After every broadcast.
I got
the
it.
message.
Got the message. Got it.
No
Got
cash,
it.
broke out, no breaks and no stakes involved in the state of the world.
Last we were going home.
Oh, so she's sad. So she's very emotional. Right? Yeah, that day also she'll roam with her fiance, I guess. It's her last Diwali.
Wait. What is my wedding gift?
Oh,
To
you.
gift you.
I didn't know that we had to give.
didn't take.
We've already come second in our list.
Yeah.
So we are rethinking should we give anything. Guys, because they came 1 hour late for my engagement. 1 hour late. No.
There's a time in the invitation which all the guest has to follow. Apparently Bhavana didn't read it.
I read it. I read the invitation and it was written 3:30. So I was thinking 4 is fine. I was thinking 3:45. Okay, we'll leave and we'll reach there within like 5 minutes. And 4 is fine is what I was thinking. Then what happened? So newlyweds had come to my home, like my cousin brother and his wife. So we were cooking since morning. We were cooking mushroom pulao, cooking gobi manchurian, kadge rande. I couldn't log it because I was cooking, I was cutting.
So how will we believe it? Log the camera.
I'll show the plate which I took a picture in which I was having everything. The food I'll show you. With date, yeah. You can check the details in that.
Birthday happy go on to come.
Oh,
कसं legit town no invite करताना सांगा मुलगा बस तिक पुसत नाही first.
yeah. She's very happy if you don't come to her also. Her
She doesn't want us
yeah.
to come, but then she can say like we called you.
We called you, but then you guys didn't turn
you
up.
not invited to wedding.
We'll come anyways, I think.
We'll
We
come.
know the location.
We know the location. We know the day. Office has a call करा रिका. ती मस्त professional उल्लेख को. वही वे sorry so I'm so late. Sorry को. Thank you. तो उल्लेख थी. तो उल्लेख थे.
आणि आता कोणाला कॉल काय करता रे? Hi, can I call you? But especially like weekdays कोणाला कॉल करता रे? Hi, can I call you? Yes, म्हणाली. Yeah, I'm free bro. म्हणाली. Okay, I'm calling. Because I signed to them. Just call no. पुढे आला. तुम्ही खाऊ का तो? थोडे खाऊ.
एक bite.
हां.
हाँ ना.
एक खाऊ का.
Half bite. ये नहीं करो. Half bite. Okay, half bite.
That's खाऊ का गो?
Birthday girl सांगू म्हणाल half खातोस half spoon.
Okay. Cool. Got it. Yeah, I hate this song.
Not at all. Baby, give me more. I ain't never feel full. Not at all.
Was that wonderful ride?
Someone say my bad behavior out to X-name me. Thoughts and dangerous. I can't change, I'm locked in my anger. I'm so crazy, got all of this anguish. I can't let go, my grip is outlandish. Can't hold on, it's still on standing. All of this rush got me close to the marriage.